Today I'll be giving you a quick review of Garmin Watch. If you are new to Garmin watches, you will be able to understand how you can use Garmin Watch. And the watch that I'll be using for the review today is Garmin Forerunner 945. I have been using this for 1 year. Forerunner has plastic body. Because of this it has lightweight. Phoenix is metal body, so it's heavyweight. So when you are doing triathlon, so usually Forerunner is very popular amongst triathletes. Choose any app. You'll be simply pressing this and then go down to choose your specific app. Suppose if I want to start the pool swim activity, I'll be choosing pool swim and press this to start. Now the activity has not started. Activity is ready for you to start. The moment you start the activity, you simply need to press this again. So activity will start. And the moment you complete your lap, you have to press this button to complete your lap. Similarly, when you want to stop the activity or pause the activity, you can say
lap 2,
press this
08.
And this has now paused the activity. You can save the activity or you can discard the activity. So simply going up, going down is from here. Starting and stopping is from here. Going back is from here. Now within the activities also there are the options that you can choose. Run activity. This is the data screen which is available to me. I can change the data screens by changing the options here, going down. So these are the data screens which are available. Depending upon what kind of data I want to bring, I can bring that here. And if I press and hold this button, which is for options, if I press and hold this button, it will show me all other options. Whether I want to do navigation, whether I want to do training, whether I want to do the run settings. So if I press run settings, it will show me data screens. I can choose the data screens what I want. I can make the changes into data screens. Suppose here is the moment I choose the data screen. To select this data screen, you have to press this button. To go back, you have to press this button. So I'll be choosing data screen by pressing this. And here is the layout. Again, I press it. Whatever layout I want to choose, I will choose the layout and press this again to select that layout. Now you can see here what data fields I want within this layout. So I can choose the data fields within this layout. The first one is the lap distance. So I can make the changes here, choose the specific data field. For example, this is speed field. So I'll choose speed field. On top, I have got the speed field. Similarly, I can make the changes to other fields also if I want. Otherwise, simply I'll go back here. So I'll come back to the main data field screen. Press it back, press and go back. I'm in the activity list right now. So I'll add the activity. These are all the activities which are available. Any activity, let me choose it from here. Run, swim. I will select this, set to favorite, no or yes, whatever you want, you can do it. And then you can set the position where exactly you want this activity to appear. Maybe I'll be using it here before the trail run. And now if you go back here and choose the list of all the activities that you want to do, you will see after the favorites, first activity is swim run. So I can start it by pressing this button, so it will open the activity. So first I need to press this, it will open this application of swim run, and then again I press it, so it will start the activity. So this is the run. If I press this button, it will change from run and it has gone to now open water. Similarly, when I'm doing open water, if I want to change back to run, so I can press this, it will come back to trail run. So this was the application side of the Garmin watch. There are various widgets also available. Right now the screen shows you watch face. Press down, so you will see other widgets which are available. My activity status. If I press this button, I can see more details into training. Now if I go down here, so it shows me the health statistics here. So SpO2 is not correct. I have compared it with real SpO2 monitor also. It doesn't show exactly the same result. This is not giving the correct result. It is showing stress level as of now because I have just completed one of the run activities. Now body battery, I'm not ready for any further activity right now. In my day, you can see the number of steps that you have taken, and if I press this, I can see other details also, that what type of activities I have been doing. I can see notifications of email, Twitter and other messages. So whether it is connected to the weather app, it shows me the current weather. And if I go down here, hourly prediction, and if I go down again here, it will show me the daily prediction. If I press this, it will show me the suggested workout for today, barometer and altimeter. I'm not happy with altimeter. You can see here there is a continuous drop from 220 meters to 17 meters, and right now it shows 75 meters. But if I start any activity, The moment I start the activity, the altitude, for example, from the same point is 200 meters, and when I come back and finish the activity, it either goes down to 100 or it might go up to 400. So it means that altimeter is not correct in this. I changed from 935 to 945. One of the reasons was that it had the SpO2 monitor, which is again useless. It is not giving correct results. Altimeter 945, the results are also not correct. And another reason I moved to Garmin 945 was that it detects the heart rate in the water also. It works perfectly all right, and I have compared it with the chest heart rate monitor also, which is giving the correct result. Altimeter and SpO2, these are not correct in this. Another reason why I got from 935 to 945 was music. If you press and hold this down button, it will open the music. If I press now playing here, it will tell me to connect to Bluetooth headset or Bluetooth earphones. If you have never connected before, you can connect it using this. It has good memory space for storing the music. I'll show you in another video how we can store the music into this. I can press and hold this button, it will open settings. Here I can change the watch face, I can add new, and you can go down here, set the alarm clock, and then history of all your activities, history of records, how many records you have made. So you can see in running what records I made. Whatever type of activities you have been doing, you can see the records, and here it will show you totals. So you can see totals in terms of odometer, in terms of running, how many running activities you have done weekly, monthly. And here are the options. If I go to options, you can delete all the records, delete all the activities. It will delete from the device only, it will not delete from your Garmin Connect. Here are the settings related to activities and applications. So if I press this, so I can make the changes into all these activities which we could make from directly by going into the activities also. I can do it from here. I can choose, for example, for walk, if I want to make any changes. So here I can make the walk setting, and then same data screens, alerts, and all these are available here. Same thing was available in when I was opening it from here and pressing and holding this button. So it is available in settings as well. Other than activities, now we have widgets. Glance will give you the summary, and within the summary you can see further details. Glance option is not available in 935. It was available in the latest version of the software. In case there is any Ant Plus sensor, you can search all and it will appear here, and then it will connect it. And similarly, if you have any headphones, so headphones also you can start connecting here. External heart rate you can start connecting, and these all things can be connected here. And then phone, in case you are connected to phone, you can disconnect from here, and you can enable or disable the smart notifications or alerts, so depending upon what you want to have. Wi-Fi, if you want to save the battery life, you can turn it off. My all activities gets uploaded automatically when I'm connected to Wi-Fi, so I keep this turned on all the times. Audio prompts will be available on your smartphone the moment you will complete the lap, and or when you have the heart rate going to a certain threshold, so you'll be able to get the audio prompts on your phone. So user profile, height, weight, and age, and gender. System, you can see the language, you can change language from here. Then hotkeys, for example, if I press and hold this button, phone setting will turn on, and if I press and hold this particular button, Wi-Fi settings will turn on. If I press and hold start plus down button, so this is start plus down together, if I press these two buttons together, what should happen? Right now I have not chosen anything for this. Start and up button, what should happen? I have not chosen for anything for this. So you can choose whatever you want to have when you press multiple buttons together or when you press and hold the button. So this all depends what you want to have. So this option is available here in the hotkeys. A unit of measurement, whether you want to have kilometer or miles, and data regarding whether you want to have smart or every second. So you can choose these options from here. So I'm choosing every second. It will consume more battery life, but it will give you accurate results. What type of USB mod you want to have? You want to connect this with Garmin, or you want to have this as a media transfer? So I'll be using this as a media transfer. To soft reset your watch to factory default, this reset button, so it will reset all the settings or reset all the activities. Software update, this is automatically getting updated when there is any update available. Now in about, so this was all about section and all about Garmin watch. Depending upon what type of activity you are doing, you can choose the model of your watch. I have been using this predominantly for the triathlon activities, swimming, cycling, and running. It is very lightweight because it is made of plastic body, and heart rate is also available when you are swimming. If you have any comments or feedback in the comment section below. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.